thought that was funny. I don't know if I've ever mounted up against that wall. That's kind of funny.
I do that a lot actually when I mount up there. I usually
Surprised
mount
you
up there,
mount. I just as
that's
soon as I
that's
don't
like
need to mount, I don't.
that's one of the few angles I'll mount on.
I see why. It's a long
Long,
angle, but
thick corridor.
they're all in.
I'm gonna go to A with you because they're all in. Yeah. Yeah, you do there. I don't have EOD. I'm gonna get my ass naked. One to the right, bro.
He rolled both of us. He killed me first. How? We're in their spawn building. Oh, come on, dude. Really?
Right.
Right shield's behind the water. There's a guy right here. To the right, too, I think.
Wait for this guy.
I'll plant.
My teammate might have killed the right shield guy. What? I don't understand
how does he see me?
There's two in our spawn building. Back to mine. Now we can get this. His name is Kill Him Defoe. That's actually great. Clutch nade.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, I'll watch.
Building.
I'll watch this.
Behind. He's dead. There's a guy top in their building.
I'm gonna wall bang so hard. Dude, what? Oh, I got you killed. Okay, fine. Dude, I can't call in my fucking airstrike, bro.
Oh, that's my bad, I guess.
Oh, that's fine. Just
oh, fuck. You're such a fucking prick. He was can't. How is he behind us that far, man?
No, I got the guy in our spawn. I just want to. He's mounted on down middle part.
This guy, dude, the Jack and the ISO, dude. He's right side of B, in our spawn side by the truck.
Jesus.
Wow.
Oh my god. One on top of our wood thing.
God damn it. This is gonna be tough. These guys aren't terrible.
Just need to get them to die once. Dude, I hate that fucking mounted thing. My bullets just won't fucking hit him. Bullshit, bro.
God damn it, how are there so many there, dude? Fuck. Oh, the one top barn outside. God damn it. I don't know, dude. I thought I just killed like 4 of them. I think one guy's still top barn. Guys, what are you doing? Thank you. You didn't even kill the guy.
He might get this actually.
One's top barn coming to you. Mid. No, it's not all us.
Dude, why?
Nice.
There's one just in the middle behind the right pillar.
One left.
Just 3 left. I got 2.
Oh shit.
More. What? I love that name, honestly. It's so like
I'll kill him, bro. Their good guy leave? There was one guy that was crushing.
what he did. Unless he was the 14-10 guy who died like 6 times in a row. I guess that's possible.
Man, I don't know. Impulse has been kicking my ass, but he's not doing very hot right now, so I don't know.
He's keeping kicking my ass too. Feeding 5 player kills. He just mounts. He's not like...
I'm blind on A.
No one's on it. Probably head glitch.
Yeah, he is. Oh, I got him. Wow. I'm dead from B side at the behind the wood pile. Oh shit, really?
Got that guy B. Teammate, don't just fucking stand here. Got double naded. I'm just gonna try and defuse. I don't have any so fuck it.
I got him. There's one. They're hitting B hard. They're on B hard.
Oh my god.
I got that guy.
Dude, why? I'll stay A for a second. Defending A.
They must have got him because he's not here anymore. Bottom barn. Wow. Holy fuck. Ass foul. That's how I get melted so fast. Okay.
Top barn too. There's 2 over the top barn,
I
bro.
got one.
Come
I got
on.
one.
So dumb.
Dude, I can't do it. There's 2 more there. I got 2. Just as soon as it's planted, they just huck nades like a motherfucker over there.
Yeah, they're like us. Dude, I can't fucking hear him. It's all you over there.
No, it's not, dude. My aim, point blank hip fire Uzi is just dog shit compared to the fucking ass stuff.
Right in the...
Yep, okay. That's foul. Just spanking me right now.
Yeah, we're not gonna go hold A, I don't think, for 4 minutes. We'll see.
I think they're planting right now. Head glitch. They're not planting, there's head glitch.
Not him.
Damn it, he's just ADSing. He's coming right side. Behind us! Up top! What the shit? Got him, fucker.
Oh, fuck. Top middle. How? Just like wall bang, and that's how it's like 2 damage. Wall bang. Oh, for sure. I'll watch it. I'll watch it. Every fucking time I die in the same way back in their spawn. God fucking damn it.
Someone's still back in our spot. Up top in our building still. God damn it, mid water. He's coming to bomb right now.
Tracker 321 station, go for task.
Up in our building, there's 2 teammates up there. And they're not. I got him. Good airstrike.
Mid, behind mid, behind mid. Oh my god, that's perfect.
Wow.
Oh, that was funny, dude. That is funny shit. He had just killed me there. My tack was right there.